Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone beyond. How is everybody? We're in Twin Falls at the Flying J. About to get us a truck wash. We're, fourth in line right now? We're plus one in the bay. The camper in the bay. Yeah. We got like at least two more behind us. Been here for a little bit, about 30 minutes or so. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna get the truck washed and then going over to Boise and unload tomorrow. Then hang out and reload Wednesday up in Twin Falls. Pick up potatoes in Twin Falls, take those to Long Island, New York. So that's our plan for the next week or so. It's nice out today. It's already 77 degrees right now. It's 11 something. It's after 11. So that's what we're doing. Trying to figure out what I'm going to do over the while I'm sitting around doing nothing in Boise. I won't leave there till Tuesday night. Head back up here to Twin Falls. Gotta figure out something to do. Get bored sitting around. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're just waiting on this truck wash. These guys are slow. It's the only place to get a truck wash that doesn't cost a fortune. The one in Boise is expensive as hell. So I don't go there. I come here to the Blue Beacon. I should have done this the other night when I went to Nebraska over there in York. But I didn't think about it in the middle of the night. Oh well. Truck is a mess. It's covered in bugs. Wilma needs a bath. Anyway, that's what we're doing. I'll catch up with y'all later. Y'all have a good day. Love y'all. Bye.